Hi, this is Jason Borrego. I woke up inspired today and the sun is just rising at my home and I wanted to get a message out to you. You know, in this morning's prayer, we're all born with special gifts and talents I was praying about. But the two of the greatest gifts we've been given as human beings is the gift of prayer and the gift of visualization. See, you think about Napoleon Hill, the author of Think and Grow Rich. His famous quote, "Whatever the mind of man can conceive and believe, it can achieve." You can use the power of visualization to get a clear mental picture, to conceive what you want. You use the power of prayer to build that faith and that belief inside of you that you can achieve that dream or that desire. Then you must put action in it, and you must take massive action. That's the key of making it all happen. I'm excited and I think about what we can do as a team, what you can do with your life. And I want to leave you on this quote. It's a famous quote that my mother used to always say, "Dream big dreams, small dreams have no magic." I hope you're dreaming big today. God bless.